All right, now we love to clean. I know we do our best to clean, but in some instances here, some ways you're cleaning that actually are making your house dirtier.
Really? Okay.
There's five things. Number one, we're forgetting to clean the things that you used to clean. Yeah, vacuums, washing machines, toilet brushes. We don't clean those, so we use them to clean. Only they're kind of dirty. That vacuum canister you see is full of stuff. The brushes in the bottom of it are dirty.
Well, and
So
like the bathroom brush, I know a lot of people, they have like a rule, like every so many months, they just throw it out and get a new one because, yeah, think about
um,
it. It's in your toilet. Ugh.
people are mopping their floors with laundry detergent. Apparently, I don't do that.
Really? I've never done that.
Yeah, because I would think that it would have no traction.
I would think
You'd
it
be
would also
slipping.
be really
I would think.
bubbly and
It's
plus,
it's some hack that went viral apparently, but laundry detergent will leave a residue
yeah,
that attracts and traps dirt. Don't do
because it's
that.
stickier.
Yes.
That's what I was going to say. It because you're not really rinsing it out. That's why in the washing machine
Yeah.
it has a mega rinse and then the spin cycle and stuff to get
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Yeah. Mm.
You're not reading the instructions on the cleaning supplies you're using. So you're not using them correctly. So you're ineffectively using them. That makes your house dirtier. You're spraying cleaning agents on surfaces directly. You're not spraying on what you're using to clean with and then wiping it down. You're just spraying on there and then wiping it with your dirty washcloth. So yeah, the sponges and all that, same situation there. And you're combining cleaning products that render each other ineffective, can lead to chemical reactions. It's true. You got the bleach out, then you've got the window cleaner out, and then you've got your wipes out, and you have all these chemicals going. And in some cases, because I mean, we're not all scientists or
Oh,
chemists,
mixing and matching.
you're mixing it all together.
Woo!
And in some cases, it can make you sick, toxic.
Well, and some people have breathing issues
Yeah.
too. So if you have like allergies or asthma or someone in your home has like COPD, you mix
Yeah.
those toxic fumes together. While they're not good for anybody, they're going to be worse for certain people or
Right.
your pets. And if you have little people in your house,
Get more info on what you're
be
doing
really
wrong
careful.
when you're cleaning. Yes FM Facebook, exit 967 Yes FM, and also yesfm.com.